here I go again with this. And I can't keep this. I can't keep it straight, okay? But we're going to do it today, okay? So, I know I'm pumping them out right now. All these insurance videos, I'm pumping them out. All right, so right now, I want to talk about how you can save on car insurance. Not much like life insurance, car insurance, you really need it because the state says so. But why would you want to protect your car and not your life? Don't know. But I'm going to tell you how you can get the most out of your car insurance, how you can save the most money. And it's little tricks that you probably don't even recognize. Little tricks you probably don't know. All right, so here we go. So, how much you drive. I know you guys probably already know this. They ask you, well, how many miles for the year you think you might drive? 8,000 is about the least, the most, you know, you can go to save the big bucks, you know. By no means am I telling you to not tell them 8 just to get low insurance, but I'm just trying to key you in. I'm just trying to let you know what you know, you can save. Okay. All right, so your credit. You probably don't know this, but your credit has a lot to do with how much you pay in car insurance. Even if they don't ask you for your social, they still check your credit. Yeah, they still check your credit. They know how to get your credit information. So even if you don't give up that social, they're gonna check your credit, okay? How old you are. So depending on how old you are, you can save for car insurance. That goes hand in hand with how long you've been driving. How long have you been on the road? How old were you when you got your license? How old were you? You know, that helps. Okay. Uninsured motorists. I know a lot of people might opt out of that. It's very important to keep uninsured motorists. A lot of people don't know what that is. That is basically to protect you from people who are uninsured. Uninsured motorists is to protect you from people that's uninsured. People that hit you and keep going, okay? Or people that hit you and they don't have car insurance. Then what you gonna do? You know? But that is one of the things you can remove if you really have to save some money. Maybe you got in an accident, so your insurance is high right now. You can kind of cut that on out, you know, for a little while until you can build up 6 months of good paying history, 6 months of lower payments so you can get cheaper car insurance. But be mindful because uninsured motorists, people do drive without insurance, okay? Whether you're a female or male, people don't know this, but being a female, you get lower car insurance. Yes, being a female, you get lower car insurance. Don't ask me why. I'm just trying to tell you. Okay, your driving record. So that's kind of obvious, you know. Sometimes you get a quote. If you didn't give them your driver's license, they don't have your driving record. You know that quote is not accurate. You better give them your driver's license number so you can get an accurate quote, okay? The fact that you had continuous coverage with another company will help you. So if you've been with another company for 5 years, if you've been with another company at least 6 months, let them know. That will help you save on car insurance. You're welcome. All right, so if you really want to just save a couple dollars, you know, maybe your car insurance rate, they quoted you about $240, you know, you can opt in to the little plug-in feature that Progressive has. You know, you can say, okay, I'll play your little reindeer game. I'll put the plug-in in my car so you can track how great I'm driving and give me a discount because I want it and I need it right now, okay? You can also take a look at the deductible. Sometimes the deductible is $250 or $500. You know, maybe you can afford to go $1,000 or $2,000 for a little while. Save you a little money. You know, just be prepared. Just be prepared. Be careful. How about that? Be careful first and then be prepared. Okay? Because that's a high deductible. All right? Where you're located, like Georgia, car insurance is much higher than Maryland's car insurance. Maryland car insurance, I thought was ridiculous until I moved here to Georgia. Welcome to the Atlanta where the plays play. Because you got to pay for your insurance, okay? So the reason why they ask you for that information is because all of that plays a factor. All of that plays a factor. And if you think you're going to drive Uber, if you think you're going to drive Lyft and just get regular car insurance, you might want to think a little ahead, okay? You might want to think a little ahead of that. So if you get regular car insurance, buy yourself a little, liability insurance on the side, little business liability insurance on the side, Because what's going to happen is while you're shopping for car insurance and you tell them you work for Uber, they're going to say, no thanks. Or your rate is going to be much higher. So you can buy them separate. Buy car insurance and then buy your business insurance separate, liability coverage to protect yourself. Because if you get in an accident, they're coming for you. Those people in your car, they're coming for you. Yeah, be mindful. All right, so those are the things that you can take note about when you're shopping for car insurance. Whether you're a female or a male, okay? Your driving record, the fact that you had continuous coverage, your credit, how old you are, how long you've been driving, how much you're planning to drive for the year. All those things play a factor. And I'm done, okay? Just like that. So I don't have to try to convince you of certain things. You know them already. This is what I did for you. You're welcome. Yes, save that money. Bye.